Hey guys, in this 2025 video, we're doing a hands-on comparison, vidIQ versus TubeMagic, looking at workflow, research, and real results for YouTube creators. TubeMagic is really powerful when it comes to automating content planning. It uses AI to generate video ideas, full scripts, optimized titles, descriptions, and tags based on what's trending. Its video research tool lets you plug in a keyword and instantly see top performing videos you can model for ideas. Plus, the simplicity means you can spend less time doing SEO work manually and more time creating. vidIQ, by contrast, is a veteran in YouTube analytics. It's great for deep performance metrics, competitor research, and detailed keyword assessments, helping you understand what is already working. While TubeMagic gives you a lot of automation, vidIQ's strength is in data-driven strategy and fine-tuning your content for long-term growth. When you use TubeMagic, you're streamlining your creative process. More content, less friction. But if you want to dig into analytics and optimize for performance, vidIQ gives you a level of insight that can guide smarter decisions. So, if you want to create faster and let AI handle your SEO, TubeMagic is awesome. But if data and deep insight are your game, vidIQ still earns its place. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more YouTube tool breakdowns in 2025.